Find yourself, relax for a moment, and become aware in the scale of 0 to 10, how much is this stress and anxiety? Find the number. Once you have number, let's begin practice. Tap your karate chop like this and say, even though I have this strong stress and anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Even though I have this stress and anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. One more time. Even though I have this stress and anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself, I love myself, and I forgive myself. Take a long deep breath. Exhale, release. And then begin to tap under your eye. This is stress and anxiety. Center of the forehead. This is stress and anxiety. Under the nose. This is stress and anxiety. Under the lip. This is stress and anxiety. Temple. This is stress and anxiety. Under the nose. This is stress and anxiety. On the chin. This is stress and anxiety. Take a long deep breath. Exhale. And once again, become aware in the scale of 0 to 10 where you are. Has it gone lower or has it gone higher? Where is it? Find the number and tap onto your shoulders. This is stress and anxiety. Throw. This is stress and anxiety. Throw. This is stress and anxiety. Throw. Then tap in between small and ring finger. Keep tapping and sing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep tapping, keep doing that. Look at my finger. Turn. Keep looking to the right, to the left. Do not turn your head. Back to the center and around. Circle. Other way around. Keep tapping and keep thinking of the stress and anxiety. This is stress and anxiety. This is stress and anxiety. Then flip your hand this way and tap here on your thumb. This is stress and anxiety. This is stress and anxiety. This is stress and anxiety. And small finger. This is stress and anxiety. Take a long deep breath. Breathe out. Find in the scale of 0 to 10 where you are now. Is it livable? Is it gone down to 2 or 3? Or is it higher? If it's higher, you can keep repeating 1 or 2 times the same tapping, and this should go down to livable. And if not, you can always comment below and ask me a question or find my email and email me. Thank you very much.